Okay, we have another person here, and usually I'm going to play 1 or 2 games with each one. Okay, Grunfeld, one of my favorite openings, and I have bishop g5. Nikolaidis system, a friend of mine, a grandmaster, tell me about this move, and now he's losing material here. Immediately he lost material. But now we should be careful. He can take on a2, obviously. He's threatening the pawn on b2. Maybe we can go here, threatening the knight. He can give a check, queen d2. Queen d2, he can give another check. Where? He cannot take the pawn actually. What he's going to do, this looks nice, because we're developing the pieces. And I'm going to play here. And he cannot castling because I can take on c6 and then on e7. This is a move. We will see. He's thinking, he's burning his time, try to calculate all the nuances. This is a check, buddy, but I'm happy to exchange queens. Why not? And I'm threatening. Maybe I had more tricky move because king e2 or king f1 was more tricky. But in any case, let's play here. It's not 100% clean what we played. Maybe I have this. Okay, attacking my bishop is a good idea. I'm still threatening d5, I guess. Okay, this is not the end of the world. d5 is a threat. Can I go back? Yeah, I'm going back. I'm trying to push a little bit his pieces. Because he will have some problems on castling. This is not the end of the world. Okay, hoping for better squares. Strange game, we need to check it afterwards. Exchanging the bishops will be nice, but we have this check. Maybe it's nothing, huh? Just take, in order to go here and attack something there. Unfortunately, knight c8, rook c8 didn't work. I have some activity on the file, it's important, I don't know. Let's play b3. I think b3 is very important. He has this one, and maybe rook c5, e6, rook a1. Wow, I didn't expect that one. Okay, let's double the rooks, I guess. Wow, okay, he's trying to exchange everything. Knight c6, knight c5, knight here, knight there, knight up. Maybe he has a bad pieces, so I think we have to do this. And now maybe this. Threatening the pawn. Taking a pawn could be okay. It's not the end of the world, but pawn is a pawn. His knight cannot really escape. Cannot really escape from there, and I have, yeah, now I think I'm clearly better. Okay, blocked everything here, and I think I'm winning. I'm winning because I have better minor piece. Okay, next move is this. Check in here. he cannot really move, and my next move is e4, obviously e4. Wow, I didn't expecting that one. Taking. Oh, maybe I played a very bad mistake. I should not take. Okay, I'm winning because I have a connected passed pawn, so I'm winning in this way. Okay, winning buddy. I won that game. Yeah, you have this move, but you can resign actually. No, he's not resigned. He lost on time. Why you lost on time? Oh, not immediately rematch. Come on. What happened here? Actually, he declined my rematch. So, okay, let me check the game. He played a mistake. He played a very bad mistake there. But I don't know what he played actually. I don't know the variation he played. And who is this guy? Who are you? Where are you from? Do you have a real name? I hate when I see people creating accounts very recently. I really hate it. But in any case, you are a legend here. Wow. You played many games, huh? Okay, you're very welcome to say hello in the chat if you like. And your best rating on Blitz is 2600. Okay, you're playing some very strong games with 90, close to 90%, and this is 93%. You lost that one. Okay, in any case, who cares? Let me check the game, and the game went like that. You don't know obviously the move order. Knight c6, I never seen before knight c6. I'm playing for 1 year right now this variation, and knight there I completely missed that one. Knight d5, I have to do this, take. Yes, I played correctly. And after this, queen d2. Wow, queen d2, I played that. It wasn't a very nice move. Queen d2. And if you just give a check here, let's say you're giving a check like this, I have rook c1, right? Rook c1. Or you can give this check, by the way. And after this, what about that? Try to exchange the queens. Why not? We can just exchange the queens. And I was thinking about that, but bishop d7, bishop d7, you're threatening the bishops, and after exchanges it's nothing for white, so maybe we can develop there. Bishop d7 in any case. I should not go inside, because probably you will have something like bishop on c6. Okay, bishop e2 development, knight c6 maybe. It's castling for white, castling for black. Let's say d5 is the move. D5 is right now, and you are losing. You're losing this one, so you have to play accurately here. This move, okay. Bishop h4 and g5 maybe again. Bishop g3, g4 is nothing. Knight e1, knight here, as I played during the game, and not a big increment. And you cannot play these moves because I have d5. d5 is so strong, huh? And if you play like this, h4 here, knight d2, knight there, or here, knight e4, knight c4. Okay, let's understand the position. Alright, so this is it. Nice game, GG. What happened later? I think you didn't have a lot of chances, right? After this one. And wait a minute. No, this is the sub variation. I played this, and here I had this move because I'm threatening a check, right? And you have to play queen b6. Okay, maybe king f1 is interesting, but okay, after these exchanges, Knight f3, f6, it was a little nervous what you did. a6 here, bishop a4, I think it's okay, bishop d3. Very interesting game. Yeah, I think that by trapping his bishop on g7, he lost major advantage, got gold. See ya. All the best, all the best. I hope to see you again, my friends. Hope to see you again. h4 and oh, rook c8, rook c8 here, rook c8, check. And after this, I wasn't sure. Ah, bishop b3. And after this, takes, and then what? Rook c7, threatening again here. It was better version, because now we have this with check, okay. We cannot find everything. We cannot see everything here, and I don't know what happened to my friends. I said to a lot of my friends, hey, can buy, try to play some games or something. Maybe they are afraid of me. They don't like to lose his rating. But in any case, and I have one friend of mine here who just checked the Italian, and he would like to check the Italian again. He don't remember anything at all. Here I was thinking about this, rook c6, but again he has a terrible bad bishop. And after that, okay, computer said we are winning here, whoa, because this knight has problems. And after this check, let's say, king c2, ah, he cannot go there, whoa, wow, okay, we're studying a lot of things. I didn't understood it completely. I thought that it was okay, but alright, maybe he calculated this line.
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.